Guys, today for my birthday I just got a Sears ST16. I paid for half of it. It was $400. It runs, which I just now got it running off camera. It didn't need anything. I just put a new battery in it, which I hope you can do. And then I'm working on fuel line right now. This is all messed up. I need to shorten it or do something. So I've got this, and then it came with mower deck, a belly blade, which you don't hardly ever see on these things. Like, you can't find them for sale. I found one on eBay, and they were wanting $400 for it, but it's right here. And then it has the mower deck, and then I have a snowblower and a leaf sweeper, but we put those at my grandma's, so then we could actually have some room, and also they'd be in a shed, so they're not gonna get rained on and seized even more. But it was parked right there. I just drove it up here because I'm going to put some air in this tire, and I'm gonna see about trying to figure out how to take these tire chains off, which, like, this little clip thing or something has to twist and it pops off. But I'm going to fix this fuel line. Oh yeah, it also didn't come with an air cleaner, so I'm going to try to figure something out for that. But I'm going to fix the fuel line real quick, and I'll show you guys how it is and how it runs. Stay tuned. Well, now I've got the oil changed, I've got fuel line better than what it was, and I found this air cleaner laying around, so I just popped a hole in the top of it with a screwdriver, and it should work. That's just what I had, so, but time to see if it'll fire up. Should. So, choke it. Probably need some gas going through it because I just redid the fuel line, so. I'm just gonna pull it in here just a couple more feet so then I can air up this back tire, and that'll be it for now. Well, here we go. I got it pulled out. I got it to run. The thing is I just forgot to turn the little fuel thing on. But I'm gonna toss the air cleaner on it real quick. I ended up taking that off because I was wondering if it was that. No, it wasn't. So, and if you guys haven't seen my mud bog that we had for my birthday, go check that video out. That was fun. 1 second. Well, there we go. And I think this little fuel valve leaks a little bit because I just see it drip every couple of seconds. I think it might have just dripped. So there it goes. Yeah, it's the fuel valve. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I might just have to deal with it, but. I need to set you guys down for a second. There we go. So it runs. I don't know how good you guys can hear me over this thing. It's pretty loud, but I'm just gonna go right for third gear. There we go. Third gear high. It's high. There we go. Who needs those anyway? Sometimes it's good to have them though.
Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.